Dr. Blind Bag. The doctor. The patient. Her knee looks hurt. Red spots.
Hi. First, we need to find why she's here. And why she's sick.
I hurt my knee yesterday when I fell off my bike. And I don't feel very well.
Let me take your temperature. Let's see. Oh my god, it's extremely high! I think you have measles! Now I have to write her a prescription. What medicines she has to use. Ointment, measles medicine, bandage for her knee. We're putting ointment on her knee first. We're putting the bandage on top. Time for the measles medicine. Come back in 3 days and we'll see. Okay, bye! It's time to check on our patient. Hi, doctor. Hi, how are you doing? How do you feel?
I feel alright. The red spots disappeared.
Your measles has gone. That's great. Now let's see your knee. Wow, it's fully healed.
Thanks, Dr. Whiteley.
Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also hit that bell button.